Getting the Basswv.dll error after a software update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. To start fixing Basswv module manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This DLL file is a specialized extension for the BASS audio library that provides support for the WavPack audio format, allowing for high-quality lossless and hybrid audio playback on Windows applications. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error typically means a core application file is missing from the BASS sound system installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of BASS sound system is the fastest way to restore the Basswv.dll and get the program running again. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Basswv module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. The version of the Basswv.dll found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes the Basswv module references. To support our technical team and receive updates on the latest Basswv module resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.